Hello, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Yes, children, we all have learned about sound of A, E, I. And we have also learned different words and sentences with them. Now, let's learn about the sound of O. You all know the sound of O? Quickly tell me. It is O. It is O. Yes, and sometimes use it O also, isn't it? So now let's make different words related to this sound. Like if I'm going to add O with letter B, what it becomes? It is OB, isn't it? OB. And let's check their sounds now. O-B. Ob. What do we say? Ob. Repeat with me. Ob. Good. Now, let's make different words with it. S. Ob. Sob. S-O-B together becomes sob. Sob matlab rona. Oh, look at this little girl. She is sobbing. Cry kar rahi hai na wo. Sob means rona. S-ob. Sob. S-O-B. Sob. S-O-B. Sob. Good. Now look at another word. C and O-B together becomes C-O-B. That is cob. K-ob. Cob. K-ob. Cob. Cob matlab bhutta. K-ob. Cob. Now let's look at another word. J and O-B together becomes job. J-ob. Job. J-ob. Job. Job means काम करना, like your mama and your papa who goes to the work to do a job. They go for a job. 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 Now look here at another word. It says M and O-B together becomes M-O-B. It says M-O-B. Now check their sound. M-ob. Mob. M-ob. Mob. Good job, children. Mob. What do we say? Mob. M-ob. Mob. Now let's revise the words we have learned. S-ob. Sob. S-O-B. Sob. C-O-B. Cob. K-ob. Cob. J-ob. Job. J-ob. Job. J-O-B. Job. M-O-B together becomes mob. M-ob. Mob. Now, but children, can you think of another word? Alright, I will tell you. That is R and O-B together becomes rob. R-ob. Rob. That is chori karna. Yes. So now children, let's move further. Children, if I am going to add another letter to O, then what it says? Like if I add D to O, it is O and D together. O-D. Odd. O-D. Odd. Great. Now let's see if I add another consonant to odd. Then it what says? Like, let's see. If I add P to odd, it becomes P-O-D. Yes, you are right. But what is its sound? It says P-odd pod. P-odd pod. Now check with another letter. K-odd. That is C and O-D together says cord. K-odd cord. It says cord. K-odd God. Now look here. If I will add R to OD, then it becomes, come on, tell me fast. Check with their sound. R. R says R. R. Odd, rod. R. Odd, rod. Yes. Now look here. What is this? What am I doing? I am moving my neck. And what is this called? Nod. Now let's learn its spelling also. How to write. How to read. N and OD. Says N. Odd, nod. N. Odd, nod. Say it one more time. N. OD together says nod. Nod. N. Odd, nod. Nod means to move your neck. And when we say nod your neck. So that means we are ready for something. Yes. Now let's add another consonant to O. Let me think. Yes. Let me add Y to it. Oh yes. Now let's check this out. O and Y together says oy. Oy. What do we say? Oy. Yes, Y says y. Right? So let's say their sound together. Oy. So our first word is B. And oy together becomes boy. That is B and OY together says BOY. Boy. Now let me add this oy to another word, that is T. T says T. Oy, toy. TOY together says toy. Now if I will add S to OY, then what it becomes? S says S and oy. Soy. 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 Soy is a protein plant which we all eat, just like soya, right? So now let's come to another word. That is, if I'm going to add J to OY, then it says J-oy, joy. J-oy, joy. Joy means happiness. Khushi. Yeah, I am joyful today. Aren't you all? Yes, very good. So children, in today's class, we have learnt about O sound words. Right? We have learnt about ob, oi and odd sound words. Right children? Practice them. Try to make more new words, as I have taught you some other words also apart from the lesson, apart from the book. So keep practicing more. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.